I started playing basketball since I was 2. My father put a basketball in my hands. I haven't put it down since. So for me, it is life. It's not a part of life, it is life. I just love playing. I love everything about this game. The smell of the leather, the sound of the ball bouncing against the hardwood. When I'm on the court, I feel free. What's going through my head when the game is on the line is getting a good shot.
Kobe Bryant has hit a shot at the buzzer! Whoa! To the basket, side! Oh, what a finish!
What motivates me now is winning another championship.
The Lakers repeat back-to-back titles!
When you get in that zone, it's just a supreme confidence that you know it's going in.
81-point game.
Having that respect from my peers is something that I've worked hard at having from day one. The way you get that is by working hard every single day in practice and in the games.
Extends and puts it down. He has the all-time record at Madison Square Garden, 61 points. Just an epic performance by Kobe Bryant.
Sore right shoulder is what the Lakers are calling it.
He had a substantial tear of that rotator cuff.
That requires surgery.
Out for the year.
We've lost a great player for the rest of the year.
The doctor told me it's 9 months. It's kind of like, man, another 9 months. Anybody come back from this cold is a warrior.
It's been a long offseason, but it starts with Kobe Bryant now in his 20th year.
I know what I'm capable of doing, and I've been able to have a good summer of training.
There's Kobe knocking it down.
If I can play, I'll play.
That's a sweet move. Kobe turns it around and scores.
If I can't, I won't. My job is when I'm playing, to play at a high level.
Kobe back to the basket. Follow-away jump shot. Overburns for 2.
I train in the summertime, train to play 48 minutes, and I'm ready for that.
Here is Bryant. Jump shot, Kobe.
It's been a heck of a journey.
I couldn't even dream of this when I was a kid. It's a blessing from above to be able to play this game.